Wala mo kaya 25 and 66. So pag ayaw nyo na sa price, baba nyo lang. Okay. We'll start our bidding at the minimum bid price of 8,620,000 pesos, 8,630,000, 8,640,000, 8,650,000, 8,660,000, 8,670,000, 8,680,000, 8,690,000, 8,700,000, 8,720,000, 8,740,000, 8,760,000, 8,780,000, 8,800,000, 8,820,000, 8,840,000, 8,860,000, 8,880,000, 8,900,000, 8,950,000, 9,000,000, 9,050,000, 9,050,000 going once, 9,050,000 going twice. Sold to bidder number 66 at 9,050,000 pesos.